How to share screen on Microsoft Teams for iPad. One of the important features of Microsoft Teams is the share of a screen. Even if you have Microsoft Teams on your iPad, you can still share the screen. To share screen on your iPad, first you will need to open the Teams app. After that, you need to start a new meeting. You can create a new meeting by going to the chat and calling somebody or a group. Also, you can start a meeting on the Meeting tab. Let me start the call. To start the screen share on Microsoft Teams on iPad, tap on the Share button. You can share a photo, a video, SharePoint, and share a screen. Let's select the Share screen. To start screen sharing, tap on Start Broadcasting. The screen sharing is started. After this, you can end the share of the screen by tapping Stop Presenting from the Teams app. For me, it seems that there was an error on the iPad and this did not work well. So I had to stop the screen sharing from the control center. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.